Alright, I tried out no movie theaters.
Tivoli Theater, a small movie theater that you've probably never even heard of since this is the only location in the entire world. You see, unknown movie theaters like this are everywhere, and I've always had some questions like, are the amenities even good? Is the experience even fun? So over the next few days, I made it my mission to Tivoli Theater, a small—
Oh my god. It started over. It's because my computer's about to explode. It's like...
Unknown movie theaters like this are everywhere, and I've always had some questions like, are the amenities even good? Is the experience even fun? So over the next few days, I made it my mission to—
Where? I have never seen one of those, at least in Nevada. Like, anywhere. Like a small-time movie theater doesn't happen here. I don't know if you're living in Vermont or something.
Visit some of these unknown movie theaters, test the amenities, and try the experience in hopes of answering those questions. My goal is to chat with one of the owners to find out what it's really like keeping an unknown movie theater alive. So sit back and relax as I tell you a little bit about Tivoli Theater. Can I just say, this movie theater is so adorable. It's got this classic old school movie theater look that I feel like you only see in the movies nowadays.
Oh, I feel like it's just a matter of time before it goes under, though. I mean, they're obviously not making enough money to keep up with rents anymore.
Because it opened in 1928, and that's old. What's special about Tivoli Theater is that it actually only has 2 screenings of movies showing at any one time, but there is one movie room in there that is absolutely—
That has to be, like, incredibly expensive or something. That's not even, like, feasible. That doesn't even make any sense. 2 showings for
absolutely huge. There are 1,100 seats in there.
Okay, that's pretty sick. That's a completely I'm wrong.
You can see an entire small town in that thing. Why are there so many seats? There really
1,000 people watching Zootopia? How do you even find that many people?
There isn't any information on the mysterious second movie room, so we've got some investigating to do. I walked up to the unknown movie theater, ready with my investigator cap on, and made my way inside.
Closed.
No. Is it closed? I think I'm here too early, but I see workers inside. When does it open? Well, according to their website, they did have movies playing today, including the one that I'm seeing at 4:10, so I asked a local if they knew anything.
Hello? Do you know if this place is open?
I'm sorry?
Do you know if this place is open?
I don't know.
Okay. I see people inside, but the doors are locked.
Doors are locked?
Yeah. Let me call them.
Well, she was not helpful in any way at all.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, lovely sir. I am wondering if what time you guys open today?
About 3:30 to 3:40.
Okay, so very soon.
Yes.
Okay. All right. No rush at all. And don't mind me. I'm right outside your door, but I didn't know you guys open until that time. So take your time.
Okay, yeah, our first show isn't until after 4 o'clock.
Oh,
What time is it? How early are you trying to get there? The show's at 4. You know that. You're going to it.
my goodness. I'm just an early bird, am I?
Yeah, but the early bird gets the worm, you know?
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah, is the worm getting the door staying locked right there the whole time? Like you just have to sit here and wait? Is that the worm?
I will see you soon then, lovely sir.
Sounds good. Have a great day.
All right, you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye. They don't open for at least another 10 minutes. I guess I'll just wait out here.
All right, here goes take 2. Yay, we got in! Let's go buy some tickets.
Hello, sir. I would like to see...
Oh no, they have uniforms like that? That's so brutal. I used to work at a movie theater. I used to work at a Regal and for a long time, and then I was a manager there. That place was sick. I loved it. It was awesome.
Marty Supreme, please.
We're going to be in the Willis Theater right over there. Right. And I'll give you your ticket. And if you want,
Awesome.
You can exchange that at the bowling alley for a free game of bowling.
Free game. You have a bowling alley here?
Yeah, right around the corner.
Like outside?
Yeah, go outside, go around the corner. You'll see a sign that says bowl. You got a bowling alley there. That's good for one free game.
Sick. And can I do that afterwards?
Yeah, you can do that really anytime.
And a free game? That's pretty sick. I don't know how much you paid.
You want.
Great.
Yep,
All right, thank you so much.
In the Willis Theater.
Cool, thank you so much.
Since I was such an early bird, the movie wasn't starting yet, but look at how cute this unknown movie theater is. It reminded me of a really nice history museum with a hint of my grandmother's living room. They even had their own red carpet.
Yeah, I mean, what do you expect, you know? They're not gonna, they don't have the budget to be improving it, making it modern.
There were chairs everywhere so you can sit and chat with your friends or yourself. They had plants, flowers, giant mirrors, and beautiful artwork on every wall. I feel like I'm in some
I don't like it. I don't think I would like this at all.
very luxurious
I
place.
would show up so I can get there in my movie and then I can be done. I mean, 1,000 seats back. Who's gonna be in the row way back there? I
Everything is golden. Everything is fancy looking. They have chandeliers that look like something out of a $1 billion house. But Joshua kind of intrigued me. I was just scrolling through their website and saw that the screening of Marty Supreme had heated recliners.
I noticed that. I was gonna say something. I kind of forgot though. That's sick though. I mean, there's all the ones that are near me now have the heated stuff, and I can't be without that. Even when it's hot outside, I still want my butt hot during a movie. I don't know. It's a weird situation.
What? I'm so perplexed because in the picture of one of the movie rooms, those seats don't look like heated or recliners. So this could mean one of three things. Either these seats actually do heat and recline, or Tovoli is lying about having heated recliners, or we're about to watch
Or there's not 1,000 seats. That doesn't make sense. There's no way in hell there's 1,000.
Marty Supreme in the mysterious second movie room. Ooh, this is exciting. The plot has thickened. Let's go get some concessions and check out both movie rooms. I secured my favorite snack of all time, and that's when I saw it.
They weren't kidding when they said 1,000 seats.
Ooh, favorite candy at a movie theater? I don't know. It depends. Depends on the movie. I mean, a lot of times I feel like popcorn just kind of fits, but I don't know. I don't have any good. I like red vines. I like Twizzlers and red vines. They're the only way to go for me.
It just keeps going.
This movie room was so big that there were 5 different double door entrances. And although it wasn't the Willis Theater, which is where I was gonna be watching Marty Supreme, Joshua told me a little bit about its history.
Of the original 5, I believe we're the last one standing.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Original 5 movie theaters.
Built for sound in the United States.
Wow.
We are the last one standing. 500.
Yeah, no shit. That one's not gonna go as well. It's gonna follow.
$1,000. That's great.
$500,000.
Yep. Because it's special LEDs and all that.
Wow, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Can you take a video of me in this theater?
Yeah.
Just stand right here.
Yeah, it would have to be like a really fancy like screen of some sort, because that's too far back. You're not gonna see like a normal movie screen from this far back.
All right, thank you.
I made my way to the Willis Theater and
It looks like we have our answer, people, because I'm looking
Whoa, this is kind of a long video for this. How?
right at it. We are in the mysterious second room.
how about a seat tour? We've got some nice tan leather seats with cup holders on both sides and buttons for both heating and reclining, which I had to test out right away. There was plenty of legroom. I had a great view of the screen.
Oh, those seats are huge. It looks kind of janky though, a little bit. It looks like
Which I had to test out right away.
it's a little close to the person you're right next to, but I mean, you can't ask for too much, right?
I had a great view of the screen.
And it's very comfortable. They also have heating capabilities. I feel it right on my butt. It's on my butt and lower back. That feels nice.
I cracked open
That's exactly what I'm talking about. Sounds weird when you say it, but when you feel it, you know it's right. It's like I don't know. I don't have a great one for that.
my favorite snack of all time, and if there's any movie that could match the sheer amazingness of this unknown movie theater, it's Marty Supreme. And we haven't even seen the bowling alley yet, people. Yeah, I bet you forgot about when Joshua told us that Tivoli Theater had a bowling alley, huh? Yeah.
Man, this pacing is kind of getting me though, bro.
Just hope that tomorrow I can chat with the owner at the next unknown movie theater. I'll see you all in the
Morning.
Bro, and knowing he had to get up for both of those shots.
The unknown movie theater behind me is called Picture Show. It's in this shopping center area it's kind of like tucked away. I almost missed it while driving here, but luckily
Where do you think he lives? This is.
I'm here. This is only one
I think he said it too, and I didn't even pay attention.
of 10 locations in the whole world because it's known for being like the neighborhood movie theater since it's much more laid back and chill compared to your typical known movie theaters. They offer multiple movie rooms, large recliners, and supposedly budget-friendly pricing on tickets. I don't know. In this economy,
Why is it that all these old movie theaters do that? They are more affordable than going to like a Cinemark or, Cineworld. I don't know what most people have in their area, but I feel like these rundown ones in the drive-in movies. Oh my God, I love the drive-in movies. That was the experience. And all the ones that I used to go to here are gone. So I don't even know if they have any of them anymore.
I gotta see it to believe it. I found pretty much nothing about the food that they offer here other than these Yelp pictures of popcorn and slushies. I'm feeling gourmet today, so hopefully we can get some chicken tender fries and ranch or something of the sort.
Yeah, movie theater food is kinda. I had my phase working at the theater, so I'm gonna skip a little bit.
I got the goods just in time because the movie's
That was a perfect skip.
about to start. Let's check out how comfortable these seats are.
This is
Like the cookie cutter version of yeah.
amazing. It's cushioned to perfection.
There's a leg rest.
Cup holders on both sides, which I did encounter a problem that I'll get to, but you can also recline. This is
Yeah, if you could heat and not recline, that'd be miserable. That'd be super miserable. It's just giving you swamp ass the whole time. That's not fun. That's not fun at all. A reclining seat that is heated makes a whole lot more sense.
some pretty good recline. It's not too far to where you can't see the screen and where you're looking up like this, but it's not
To where you're like this and gonna regret it when you're 60 years old.
Ooh, he says how much it was.
So in total, the entire price of this experience was about $13 to $14.
with my ticket being $6 and the food being around $7.
Oh, $7 for this though? This looks like you after you ate it. This is terrible. You got bent over on the food. I'm not gonna lie to you, brother. But the movie, $6, not bad.
$10 and some change. Speaking of the food,
Let's give it a taste test.
some ketchup.
A little dip. Cheers. Now, the problem that I ran into about the cup holders is that
Oh, dude, it's so run down. It's so worn out. It's kind of grosses me out a little bit. I think that this would take away from my movie experience personally.
cup of water is tiny compared to the cup holder.
So the cup of water just gets consumed by the cup holder. Look at it. It's like whack-a-mole, but the mold never pops up. That's no fun.
Bro, and they don't wipe that mother down every time. Ain't no way. That one's bad. Holy, that one's bad.
Hello, everybody. Just came here to say, please
Yeah.
lately
Yeah.
subscribe. But now is my chance to
long.
ask if I
15
can
seconds,
chat with
brother.
the owner of this unknown movie theater. Let's go.
Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Do you know where the bathrooms are? Sorry.
Yeah, it's me and the hall.
I know. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I couldn't do it. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I just couldn't.
Let's just head to the next unknown movie theater. Maybe I could.
What was he supposed to do?
Chat with the owner
I
of this
almost want to skip to the end. I'm like, the pacing's killing me.
unknown movie theater. Let's go.
Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Do you know where the bathrooms are? Sorry.
Yeah, it's me and the hall.
I know. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I couldn't do it. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I just couldn't. Okay, this next one is the one. In fact, as soon as I get in there, I'm gonna ask to chat with the owner right away. Super fast, you won't even know what hit you.
Immediately.
We're in Hollywood, people. Hey.
I'm sorry, the pacing gets me.
Doesn't do it justice, so I'm just gonna go inside and show you everything it has to offer.
Hello, sir.
go inside.
Hey, how we doing? Doing well. How are you? Very good. All right. I will sit. Oh, it's not touchscreen.
Oh, this is oh, never mind. It's not touchscreen.
Oh my goodness. Silly me. I'll do H13. Are you the manager?
Yes, sir.
You are?
Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible. This is one of my
Bro, it kind of sounds like he's just like blowing smoke up people's ass. He's like a little too hyped about it. I like it though. I mean, it keeps lively and all, but I would think he's like being a little bit like, is he being an asshole?
Favorite movie theaters to go to. I was wondering after or whenever you're free if I can interview you.
Let me check with it because I have to check and see if we are allowed to kind of do those.
Thank you so much, sir. What was your name?
Yeah, bro, that'd be weird as hell, especially at the at the theater I worked at. If someone, could we like sit down and just like have a a one-on-one?
Eric? David, nice to meet you.
Okay, so I know I said that I was biased about this movie theater, but every time I walk into this place, the excitement is always there. After buying your tickets at the ticket booth, you're immediately met with some options.
I don't like that ticket booth. It looks awful. But, I guess he's attached.
You can walk down the red carpet like you're Brad Pitt, which I already did. You can go through a very ominous set of doors that look like something out of Jurassic Park. This leads to all the movie rooms and movie posters and this ocean rock thing. I still don't know what. And
It's kind of like has like man cave elements. I feel like the designer person really, has the same rhythm.
finally, you can sit down at the dining area and enjoy a drink from the bar. I'm currently in the dining area. My movie starts in about 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna check out the bar. I don't see anybody working there right now. Hopefully I can get a drink.
All these places are so empty. Where do you live, bro? The map should have kind of given that away to me, right? Or am I not going to be capable?
Gotcha. Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, he's super biased to this theater. I feel like he's giving this one a whole...
Eric after my movie ended, but he just told me that his boss doesn't allow him to do interviews. Yeah, so now I'm just chilling in.
Nah, he said, oh yeah, you can if you want. I mean, you could tell him that I wouldn't let you. I'd get out of that shit. Ain't no way I'm
The bathroom. It's a really nice bathroom.
Well,
Alright.
you win some and you lose some. Either
Bro, I actually thought it was going to be better than it was, and I feel bad that I set expectations for it. I'm not gonna lie though, I didn't love that. I think I might have to end it there, probably. My computer's like about to explode. But I think no, this was a good first stream. Whoever is here, I appreciate you very much.